Yeah, we back. We doing something a little different. Giving you a little tour. We in South Beach. We at the W, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, W style. All right, we at the W South Beach. You already know who it is. Explore with me. We doing a little review on the hotel in the W South Beach, the room I got here. All right, so check it out. That's your front door. You come in. All right. As soon as you come in here, guys, you got a closet right here. They got a robe for you. Ironing board. Some flip-flops for you. And over here we got the wet bar. We got the espresso machine. With all your goodness in there. Check that out. We got some gummies. Pistachios. M&M's. Cashews. Some more M&M's. Alright, you got the ones with the nuts and ones without the nuts. Pause. Some the chips. Oh, and you got the for the adults. It's the adult section. Even got a little cell phone charger in case you forgot yours at home. Sleep and recovery kit. Some wine. But here go the prices. Here go the prices. Red wine, $85. The nuts are $20. Just so you're not surprised, guys. Just so you're not surprised. We at the W. The fridge is fully stocked. All right, fully stocked. You got your little shooters in there. You got some Red Bull, some Pepsi, the Amstel Light. Look at that. Champagne, some wine, Chardonnay, Old Fashioned. And the margarita for you on deck. On deck. You got a little shooter Patron. Man, about to get right in here. About to get right. Alright. Walk over here and see what's in here. The robe for you. Nice bathroom. Check out this shower. We got 3 shower heads. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Handle your business. Some more closets. The W. Look at that, courtesy bag. The safe. More closet. And we go over here. You got the nice big TV. It's your little ice bucket. And what they got for you? They got more drinks for you. You got the Patron, Gunpowder Irish Gin, the Belvy, Chivas Regal. It's It's going down in here. It is going. You got your little lounge area. King size bed with the lights on it. The mirrors. All right. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Little balcony. Yeah. South Beach, Miami. We out the W. South Beach, Miami. We out the W. Look at that water. Look at that water. Nice view. All right, so you know what it is. We did something a little different. I just wanted to let y'all see where we staying at. Check out the W. If you're interested in coming to South Beach, you already know. Explore with me. It's me. You know what we doing. We giving the W 2 thumbs up, stamp of approval, all that good shit. Now, you do what you need to do. What you need to do is tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend who I be. It's me. Like, subscribe, push all them buttons. Push all them buttons. All right? We out of here.